Hi guys, my name is Dr. Kumar Shinde. In this video, we'll see the list set tuple in Python programming. You are watching Tech Skill Up YouTube channel. You please like the video if you like it, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed that, and please click on the bell icon to get the notifications from Tech Skill Icon channel. Then we'll start the session. Yeah. Now we are having a data structures in Python. Like we are having a list, set, tuple. Here these are the three which you are having to store multiple elements within a single name. Then let's see one by one. Here what is this list? Here the list is like an array in a programming languages like which you are having a C, C++, Java. It can have multiple elements. It will be stored within that. And the list can be represented in the form of a square braces. And the list of elements are ordered. All the elements in the same order which you are initialized. And we can also change the elements once you have created a list. And it can also allow the duplicates. Then you can see one by one. We will create one. Like here I am creating a cars is equal to, and the list we can represent in a square brackets. Here I am taking some of the cars like Suzuki, Audi, Tata, like here it is the list. Then let's see, we just try to print this, print the cars, and we just run it. Let's you can see like what are the list we are having here in the same order. Here what you are saying, here it is an order, like the same order we will get the Suzuki, Audi, Tata and Hyundai. Okay, then how we can access the individual elements in a list? Here that we can access with an index. Let's you can see here the index, like as we are having the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, like the 0. Then see what is this, the 0 is Suzuki and 1 is an Audi. Like it is a positive index, like positive index means from left to right, as well as we are having a negative index also. Negative index means from right to left. Here the positive index will be start from 0, negative index will be start from -1. Like you can see, the negative index, it will be start from right. And also the slicing is also applicable for a list. Slicing means like if you want to access a range of elements, like I would like to access the items from 1 to 3. Then you can see, you can just run it. Then you can get Audi and Tata. Here like that, as we are having to access the elements by using an index, if you want to access individual, otherwise the slicing is also applicable. Like we saw, the elements is in order, like whatever that order which you are assigned, the same order the elements will be there. And then you can see whether the elements are changeable or not. Let's say you can try to change one of the element. like cars of 1. Just try to update the value. Instead of Audi, you can just change the value with Honda and try to run this. Try to run this. Now you can see now the Suzuki. Then after that, before that we are having Audi, but instead of that we are changed to Honda. Now it was changed. That means in the list here these are the order, and again we can changeable the elements, and we can also be check whether it allows the duplicates or not. Like if I would like to enter Tata again, I'm just formatting it, then run it. Like you can see here the Suzuki, Audi, Tata, Hyundai and Tata. That means the list can allow duplicates also. Then see the next one, set. What is a set? Set will also store multiple elements like a list, and it also can support different data items. Like here in this example we have taken all our strings, but you can also take the numbers like 50 and 52.35. Like that we have multiple type of elements also, it can be accepted. Like you can see this one also. You can see here it can be support with any type of elements. Okay, then like the same thing here, the set also will allow any type of elements, and the set can be represented with a curly braces, and with compared to list, set is unordered. That means whatever that order is there here, it won't print in the same order. This order will be changed. It is an unordered, and you can just change it. Here I'm just changing with curly braces. Because of the curly braces means now it will be converted in the form of set. And now to try to print it. Now you can see here it is not followed the same order. As it's not followed the same order. What is the order we are given? The Suzuki is first, but we got Audi. And then the 50 is the last, but we got it second. Like this here, what you can observe here the set elements are unordered. But as you see in list, all the elements are ordered, but here it is unordered. Okay, and then as we are saying here, it is immutable and not allow duplicates, but we can add or remove. The elements. Now you can see one by one what you can perform with set. Like you just try to change the element. Let's you can run it. Here I'm just trying to change this element with Honda and try to run it. Now you can see here set object does not support item assignment. What we are trying to assign, we are trying to change the element. We are trying to change the element value. It's not possible. That is the immutable. That means we can't change the values. But we can add or remove the elements. With this set. Already the set is there. Then if you want to add one more element, then you can add it. Then let's try that same thing with this. Like I would like to add an element like cars dot add Honda. Let's run this. Now you can see here. Now the Honda is added. That means add is possible. Like the same thing, let's try with remove the elements. Course dot remove Audi. Just we are trying to remove this and run it. Now you can see here the Audi is removed. Here what you tried, you are trying to remove the Audi from the set. Now we are able to remove. That means in a set, here the first we observed what we observed. Here the list is unordered. As you can see, for each time running, we are not getting in the same order which you are assigned. And immutable, that means we are not able to change the values. As you can see, we got an error. And we can add or remove the elements. As you can see here, we are trying to add. Now we are able to add it. And we are trying to remove, and we are able to remove the element. And we can also check this not allowed duplicates. And let's try to add the duplicate value here. Now I will try to, we are already added duplicate value, as you can see. I'm just giving a comment here, and we are having two Tata here. Then let's see whether we are having two or not. As you can see, we are having only one Tata in a set. That means it is not allowed duplicates, but the list is allowed duplicates. That's you can see here. As you can see here, it is a list. We are having one and another one. That means the list is allowed duplicates, but the set won't allow duplicates, because as you can observe here, in this set we are assigned Tata with 2 times, but while executing here, we can see here we are getting only 1. That means the set won't allow duplicates. Okay, then see the last one, tuple. The tuple is also like a list which can store multiple elements with of any data type, but the tuple can be represented with a round braces instead of these curly braces and again square brackets. And like list, here the tuples also ordered, but we can't change the values. Like a set. We can't change the values like a set once the tuple is created. And it can also allow the duplicates. Then let's see here how it can be done. Here I am just changing the braces. Here instead of these curly braces, I am just use the round braces. Round braces represents tuples. Then let's run this. Now you can see here it is ordered, we are saying. Now you can see here whatever the order which you are assigned, in the same order we are having. And we can also see the duplicates. It allows the duplicates. Tuple allows the duplicates. As you can see here, the tuple is allows duplicates. We are assigned 2 Tata cars here, and we got the two Tata cars. That means the tuple allows duplicates, and we are also saying that it is unchangeable. Let's try to change it. Here I am trying to change the value. Now you can see here we are not able to change. That means here by using tuple, here the list of items are ordered and we can't change the values once it is created, and it allows the duplicates. Okay, these are the differences between the list, set and tuple, and you can see the same. Here you can see here the list, tuple and set. Here the list is mutable, tuple is immutable, set is mutable. That means in both the list and set we can change the values, but in tuple we can't change it. And ordered, the list is in order, tuple is also in order, but set is unordered. And the list we can access with an index, The tuple is also accessed with an index. Set we can't access with an index because of the set is unordered. Set is unordered. If it is unordered, then we can access with an index. But if it is, but the set is not ordered, that's why we can't access with index. And the list and tuple will allow the duplicate elements, but the set won't allow the duplicate elements. Okay, these are the differences between the list, tuple and set. And as well as if you want to try to access the elements of tuples by using an index, as you can see, if you want to access the cars of 1, it's an OD. Let's, you can run it. Now you can see you are able to access it. But the same you are trying to access with a set. Here I am changing it to set now. Now it is a set. Now try to access the same thing with an index. Now you can see here the set object is not subscribable. Why? Because the set is not accept the index because of it is unordered. The set is unordered. What is an index here? Index is nothing but the position of the element. Now if it is not an order, then how we can access with a particular position value, like the position we are given is an index. That's why here the set is not accept the indexing, but both the list and tuple will access the index. Okay, here these are about the list, set and tuple. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.